Now in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset the Motorola G Play 2024. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the volume down and the power key. Give it a few moments. You're going to see this is like a recovery mode. You're going to use the volume keys to navigate through this menu, and you're going to find recovery mode and press the power button to select that. Now give it a few moments and you're going to see the Motorola emblem, and then also behind that you're going to see the Android splash screen right there. So to get past this menu, we're going to press the power button and the volume up key. So hold power, then press volume up, and then release. Now we're in the Android recovery menu. We're going to use the volume up and down key to navigate this menu down to wipe data, factory reset. Press your power button to select. Navigate with your volume key, factory data reset this phone. And boom, that's it. Your data wipe is completed. You want to reboot the system, press the power button again. And that should do it. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.